Welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2 Minute Tuesdays, where you can get the latest information about products, installation tips, or other news. I'm Jeremy McLean, Director of Marketing at Osborne. Did you know that we offer more than what is listed on our website? Although we have a vast selection for you to choose from, we also provide many customization options that make our inventory theoretically endless. If you see a design that you're interested in, but it is not a perfect fit for your build, you can request modifications to be made to the component. These modifications include milling needs, distressing, hardware installation, resizing, and more. We also have the ability to create an entirely new design. If you have something specific in mind for your project, start by filling out the custom quote form on our website, and we'll work with you to get a design and an estimated cost. If you have something sketched up, send it our way and we can turn that innovative design into a real product for you. In this video, I'm featuring a couple of custom products that were recently completed, representing some of our capacity. Whether you have a purely unique design, are in need of some custom engraving, or have a larger custom job, consider having Osborne complete a free custom quote. Thanks for joining me for Osborne Wood Products 2 Minute Tuesdays. You can find our customization options on our website, www.osbornewood.com, or reach out to one of our helpful customer service representatives. If you'd like to stay up to date on product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.